Yo, what's going on everybody? It's your bro, hope you're doing well, and in this video I'm going to show you all a few different useful math-related methods and constants. Plus, at the end of this video, we're going to write a program to find the hypotenuse of a right triangle. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Alright people, I hope you like math, because I sure as hell don't. So math is an object that provides basic mathematics functionality and constants. So here's a few math-related methods and constants that you might be interested in. So let's say we have a variable var myNum, and I'm just going to display this. console.log myNum. Okay, so the first thing that we can do is that we can round a number. Let's say myNum is equal to Math.round. And then we can round some number. Let's say 3.5. So 3.5 rounded would be 4. So that is how to round a number. Now we can always round a number down by using the floor method of math. myNum equals Math.floor. This will always round a number down. So if this was 3.9 rounded down, this would be 3. Now to always round a number up, we can use the ceil method of math. myNum equals Math.ceil, and let's round 3.1 to the nearest whole number upwards, and that would be 4. So ceil, short for ceiling, will always round a number up to the nearest whole number. We can raise a number to a certain power using Math.pow, short for power. We need a base and an exponent. So 3 for the base, 2 for the exponent. That will result in 9. 3 to the power of 2 is 9. What about 3 to the power of 3? Well, that would be 27. So that is the pow method. We can raise a base to a certain power. Now let's find the square root of a number. Math.sqrt. Let's find the square root of 64. That should be 8. So that is the square root method. Here's another one. You can find the absolute value of a number by using Math.abs. And let's find the absolute value of -1, which is 1. Now, two extremely useful methods are both min and max. Using min, we can find the minimum value from a bunch of different values. So let's say we have 1, 5, 2, 4, and 3. So the minimum value from all of these different numbers would be 1 if we were to use the min method. So what about max? So the maximum value from all of these different values would be, in this case, 5. So those are two extremely helpful methods, min and max. Using our math object, there are some built-in constants too. For example, pi, math.pi. And that would be 3.14 something 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 something. So that's one constant. Another is Euler's number, so that is E. And that is 2.7 something 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 something. So if you ever need these numbers for any reason, well, they're available to you. So just type math dot, then whatever you need. Okay, so I think that's enough for now. Let's create a program to find the hypotenuse of a right triangle, because I said so. I'm going to place the formula that we'll need for this program somewhere over here in this top right corner of my screen. So the first thing that we'll need are 3 separate variables. Let's say var A, var B, and var C for each side of this right triangle. And we'll accept some user input. So let's say var A equals window.prompt. And we will ask the user to enter side A. And let's do the same thing for B. And we'll be calculating whatever C is. Enter side B. Okay, then let's find whatever C is using our equation here. We'll need to square both sides A and B, and luckily we can use the Pow function for that. So let's take math.pow A to the power of 2 plus math.pow B to the power of 2. Now we're going to surround both of these statements here with a set of parentheses, and then we are going to find the square root using the square root method. Math.square root. And this will all be equal to C. So that will calculate C for us, and then let's display whatever C is. Console.log side C equals variable C. Okay, let's try it. So enter side A, 3, side B, 4, side C equals 5. So that is the end. If you would like a copy of all this code, I will post this to the comment section down below. But yeah, those are a few useful math-related functions and constants in JavaScript.